Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic, quadratic equation. Guys, today again we are going to deal with quadratic equation, and this is going to be the last lecture of quadratic equation. And this lecture today we are going to deal with completely squaring method for finding the factors of quadratic equation. And there are three formulas in which you are going to detect the roots are real, equal, distinct, etc. And these three formulas also really important while doing this quadratic equation. The three formulas are just for finding what type of roots are present in it. And this is going to be a very short lecture. Only I'll solve some problems regarding that completely squaring method, and I'll explain the formulas. Okay guys, shall we start with the video? Come on. Today's topic, quadratic equation. First, as we have all know, the quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now I have said that there are three formulas. Guys, is it clear? I have said that there are three formulas for finding which type of roots are present in it. I have said that there are three formulas for finding the type of roots when we solve the quadratic equation. The first one is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. B square minus 4ac greater than 0 means real and distinct roots. And the second formula is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Real and equal roots. Guys, is it clear? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, real and distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, real and equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no real roots. Guys, is it clear? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, real and distinct roots. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, real and equal roots. B square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots. Guys, is it clear? I'll explain the terms, don't worry. Let me check the video is recording in the way or not. Just a minute. Give me a minute, guys. Yes, it's perfectly alright. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means real and distinct roots. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0 means real and equal roots. B square minus 4ac is less than 0 means no real roots. Now we get the value, these values b, a and c from here, guys. The quotient of x square is a, so we keep the value a here. The quotient of x is b, so we keep the value of b here. And the quotient of c is quotient of, okay, there is no x, so we can take the direct constant term. The constant term we keep here. If the total value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means no equal roots. Distinct means no equal roots, guys. Guys, is it clear? B square minus, if b square minus 4ac, this is the formula, guys. B square minus 4ac is the given formula. From this, you have to substitute the terms or coefficients of this x square x and the constant term in this formula, guys. When you substitute in this formula, if it is greater than 0, that means this particular quadratic equation. When you substitute the coefficients of this x square x and the constant term in this formula, then you will get whether the roots of this particular quadratic equation is real and distinct or real and equal, or there are no real roots. Distinct means not equal roots, guys. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get real and distinct roots. Distinct means all the roots are not equal. Guys, is it clear? B square, you all are aware of real roots, and distinct roots means the roots are not equal. I am repeating the complete thing again. here a square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the given quadratic equation. So a, b are the coefficients of x square and x respectively, and c is the constant term. When you substitute the coefficients of x square and x and the constant term in the given formula b square minus 4ac, you will get some values. You will get, we take p, q and r. If, or else we'll take a single value, we'll consider as p. If we consider as p, if p is greater than 0, that means the quadratic equation, this particular quadratic equation which we are substituting the values in b square minus 4ac, this particular quadratic equation, the values which we are substituting in b square minus 4ac has real and distinct roots. Has real and distinct roots. If p value is equal to 0, we hope that p is equals to b square minus 4ac. We'll just keep it aside. Let p is equals to b square minus 4ac. If p is equals to 0, real and equal roots, that means b square minus 4ac, when we substitute the values or these coefficients in this particular formula, if the solution or the value we get here is equal to 0, means real and equal roots. Guys, is it clear? We get real and equal roots. And moving to the next one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no real roots. All roots are imaginary when we mark it on the number line. We mark the roots on the number line, guys. That's another topic. We'll deal with it after. So guys, is it clear? This is the quadratic equation. This is the formula which we substitute. This formula is useful when we have to detect the which type of roots are present in particular quadratic equation. Okay guys, please note this formula. Come on, please note this formulas, guys. After this, we'll be moving to the completely squaring method, completing the square method. Come on guys, come on. Come on guys, come on. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next topic. These are the last topics in this quadratic equation, guys. If you are done with it, the complete quadratic equation is done. Which according to the competitive and the theory part also, everything done. In your board exams also, the questions will come only from these topics. I have covered all the topics regarding the problems also. This completing square method is the last topic, guys. The completing square method is the last topic, and that is also used for finding the roots, and that is just for only some problems, guys. That method is only useful for some problems. If at all, if it is clearly mentioned in the question in your board exams or in competitive exams, it is not mostly asked. In your board exams, if it is perfectly mentioned in that way, that do the in the given quadratic equation, find the roots by using completing square method, then only go for this method, guys. Otherwise, go for the normal method or formula method. Normal method means we take the roots by calculating this way. We do this, right? This is a normal problem. Or else the best thing is going for the formula method. The best thing is going for the formula method, guys. This is the best thing, guys. But it will take this is a little lengthy process, but you'll get the accurate answer. When the roots are a little bit tough, go for this. When the roots are simple like 2 or 3, then you can go with that that normal process, guys. Factorization method. This is the formula method. And the next method we are going to deal with is completely squaring method, guys. Guys, is it clear? Guys, shall we move to the next topic? On the count of 3, I am erasing the board. Come on, fast. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, guys. Now we are going to deal with, I'm rubbing this also, guys. The place is not enough here. The next method is completely squaring method. Completely squaring method. Guys, is it visible or not? Yes, it's visible. Okay guys, the first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the first question guys. So in completely squaring method, listen it carefully guys. The first thing we have to do is, first the quotient of x square should be 1. Guys, the first thing we have to do is the quotient of x square should be 1. Guys, is it clear? I am repeating it again. The first step in the completely squaring method is the quotient of x square should be 1. So if we want the quotient to be 1, so can we divide the whole equation with 2? Guys, is it clear? Shall we divide the whole equation with 2? So the quotient of x square becomes 1. So I am dividing the whole equation, divide with 2. So 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Implies 2 gets cancelled, that means x square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Now guys, after this step, this is the first step guys, when we make the quotient of x square 1. So after this you have to split it guys. So if here it's minus, you have to write, if here this part to be minus, then you have to write the half of the equation in form of a minus b whole square. If it is plus, you have to write the half of the equation as a plus b whole square. Guys, is it clear? If here the sign is, guys, is it clear? If here the sign is plus, you have to write the whole equation in a plus b whole square method. If here it is minus, you have to write the whole equation in a minus b whole square method. Now I'll show you how to write guys. First I'll write the formula here. A minus b whole square means a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Guys, I hope this is the formula. So first we'll split this part in this formula. So we'll take a square, consider a as a x, a square minus 2ab. So first 2, and here the term a means x. So you have to write this complete term in such a way that when you solve it, you should get 7x by 2. Guys, is it clear? You have to write the whole term in such a way that when you cancel it, you should get 7x by 2. So can I take just a minute? Okay, shall I go with 7 by 4? Once I'll show, and we have to get 7x by 2 guys. So I have 2 into x. So with which term I have to use here, so to get 7x by 2? If I go with 7 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 7 into x, 7x by 2. Guys, is it clear? This is the way how you select this term guys. X square, a square minus 2a and b. You have to select the b term in this way, such that if you solve this, you will get this complete term. Guys, is it clear? Guys, is the board visible? Yeah. A square minus 2ab plus b square means we have selected b as 7 by 4 plus b square. So we have written this complete part in this way guys. we have just written the complete part in this way by elaborating this in x a minus b whole square formula. And if you add 7 by 4 whole square this side, that means you should also separate, because if you cancel this you should also subtract minus 7 by 4 whole square and write the term as it is here. So guys, now check, when you cancel these terms you get the same term again, because x square minus minus 2 ones are 2 twos are, we have done here 7x by 2 plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square, plus and minus gets cancelled. So here these two terms gets cancelled, plus 3 by 2 again plus 3 by 2. So that this complete term I have just written in an elaborative way. Guys, is it clear? This complete term I have just written in an elaborative way by using this formula, guys. Is it clear? I have just split this term, a square minus 2a. I have written this complete formula in this way, guys. A square minus 2. What is a here? X is a. 2 into a into b. B means we have to solve. If we solve this, we have to get this one, 7x by 2. So I have used here b as 7 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. When I cancel this, I'll get 7x by 2. So according to the formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. I have taken plus b square, and to balance this I have also subtracted minus b square. So that means 7 by 4 whole square plus minus 7 by 4 whole square. When you cancel these terms, you will get the same value again, and I have written the 3 by 2 as it is down. So now in the next step, can I write this as a minus b whole square? A is x and b is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 square means 49 by 4 square means 16. Guys, is it clear? Plus 3 by 2. So we'll take the LCM here. 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are. I have multiplied with 8 on the numerator and denominator. So x minus 7 by 4 x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to, when you shift these terms that side, that means 3 into 8 by 2 into 8. Now we'll take as it is minus 49 by 16 plus 3 8s are 24 by 16. That means here we have minus sign, 24 minus 16. First we'll 49 minus 24 will do. 9 minus 4 means 5 we get. 4 minus 2 means 2. So here the term is x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus, when you solve this term guys, this complete term, when you solve you will get minus 25 by 16 is equals to 0. Minus 25 by 16 is equals to 0. That means when you send this whole term this side, x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to 25 by 16. When you send this square this side, you will get a root. X minus 7 by 4 whole square, that means square root of 25 means 5 and square root of 16 means 4. That means we get plus or minus 5 by 4. X is equals to plus or minus 5 by 4. This, when you send this complete term minus 7 by 4 that side, you will get plus 7 by 4. So first we'll split it again, as we know. X is equals to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, and again x is equals to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is equal to 7 plus 5, 12 by 4. Here x is equal to 7 minus 5, 2 by 4 guys. So I am writing it here. That means 12 by 4. Okay, yeah, I'll write it here. 12 by 4 means x is equals to 3, the first one. And if I solve 2 by 4, x is equals to 2 by 4 means 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 ones are 4 threes are. So x is 3 or 1 by 2. So the final answer is the roots are x is equals to 3 or 1 by 2. Guys, I'll explain it once again, don't worry. Let me check the videos recording in the way or not, just a minute. Don't worry guys, I'll explain. So guys, this is the given equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the given equation, guys. Now the first step is we have to make the quotient of x square to be 1. So to make the quotient of x square 1, we have divided the complete equation with 2. If you have here 3, we will divide the complete equation with 3. Now you have divided the complete equation with 2. So after dividing with 2, this is the equation which you have. Guys, is it clear? X square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is the equation which you get after dividing with 2, guys. After completing the first step, you will get this equation. Now this equation, to get the factors, I am splitting in this way, in the given this formula. Guys, is it clear? I am splitting in this a minus b whole square formula. If I have the sign plus here, I'll use a plus b whole square. So I am having the minus sign here. So I am going with a minus b whole square. So I have x square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2. So a square, I am writing a square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into, we have the a term as x, 2 into a. Considered a as x, and so first now you have to think for the term of b. So to get b, first thing that we want 7x by 2. We have 2 into x into, and we have to find out the b term. When you solve this, you should get 7x by 2. So 7x, if I take 7x by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are. If I take 7 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means we are getting 7x by 2. So I can go with 7 by 4 because 2 ones are 2 twos are. After cancelling, we are getting 7x by 2. So there is no formula or any there are no rock marks for thinking this, guys. You have to think it on your own. So 7x by 2. So just depending upon this, you have to select this term, guys. This term will vary for sum to sum because different quadratic equations are given. You have to practice this, guys. First of all, you have to take different quadratic equations and you have to solve in this way. So you will get more practice for finding these terms, guys. A square minus 2ab, b term we have selected as 7 by 4. So I have written here 7 by 4, and plus b square, because x square, a square minus 2ab we have written. So we have taken the b term as 7 by 4 and plus b square term we are adding 7 by 4 whole square. So when we add 7 by 4 whole square, we have to also subtract, because when we solve this equation again, we should get this equation. Guys, is it clear? When you solve this equation again, you should get this equation. So I have added plus 7 by 4 whole square, and I have also subtracted 7 by 4 whole square. I have added and subtracted, and I have written this plus 3 by 2 as it is down. So now this part. This part, x square minus 2x plus 2x into 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square. I have written as x minus 7 by 4 whole square, because I have written in a minus b whole square. So minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 is left. Guys, is it clear? Minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 is left. This is the main part, guys. Here, how you write this term as a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. That is the reason I am explaining twice or thrice. This you have to select this term, guys. This b term, when you solve that b term, you should get. And here you have to remember the second point is, after doing the solve, try to solve and check. Just cancel the terms and check. Then you have to get this above equation only. When you get this above equation, that it says that your the b term is right, which you have chosen. Otherwise, if the solved equation is not equal to this, that means you have to go with other b term. The term which you have selected for this equation is incorrect. Okay, guys. Now I have splitted this term in this ways. Now again I have written in the form of a minus b whole square. So minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2. So I have taken the LCM for 16. So I am getting minus 49 by 16 as it is, plus after taking the LCM 24 by 16. Now I have solved this term, guys. I am taking this normally. I am solving this term. Minus 49, when we take 24 minus 49 means minus 25 by 16. When this minus 25 by 16 moves to RHS, it becomes 25 by 16. So when the square is here and moves to the another side, it becomes root, plus or minus root 25 by 16. After cancelling this, you will get plus or minus 5 by 4. That means x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, after taking squares, 5 by 4 whole square. You will get plus or minus 5 by 4. So I am sending this minus 7 by 4 again to this side, guys. So we will get plus or minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So again, as we learn in the factorization method, if plus or minus is given, first take plus and add the add the given terms, and again go with minus. After doing that calculation, one term we are getting as x is equal to 3. First, just a minute. One term we are getting x is equals to 3, and the next term is x is equals to 1 by 2. Guys, these are the two terms, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, guys, this is the way. Here, this is the main part, guys. This is the very important part in the complete problem. The way how you select the b term and how you move to the next step. Okay, guys, here we have to select the b term in such a way that when you solve that complete b term, you have to get this 7x by 2. And don't forget to add and subtract, guys. Most of you guys do a mistake that you just add this term but do not subtract. You have to add and subtract to balance the equation, guys. Guys, is it clear? Copy the sum. Come on, fast. Guys, I have given a crystal clear explanation regarding this sum. Guys, is it done? Guys, is it done? Guys, if you are done, I will give you the next problem as homework. You guys should do and comment me the answer in the comment box. Because I have explained this very elaborately, I have explained each and every step in the problem. If you want to check again, go back a 10 seconds or a 20 seconds backward and just check it again. I have explained 4 to 5 times, guys. I have marked also the important steps with the black ink. Guys, please note it fast. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next problem. Guys, that problem should be done by you guys. I'm giving that problem as a homework. If you are done with it, we'll drop this and we'll move to the next problem. On the count of 3, guys, I am erasing the board. 1, 2 and 3. Okay guys, the next question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Guys, otherwise I'll do a half of the problem, guys. I'll do till the a minus b whole square, that formula we use. From that you have to continue the problem, guys, and comment me the answer, because that is the little toughest part in the problem. So as it is, we have to make the coefficient of x square 1. So we divide the whole equation with 2, same with 2. That means 2x square by 2 minus 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. We'll cancel it. X square, guys, is it clear? When we cancel the numerator and denominator, 2 and 2, x square minus 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to write this in a minus b whole square form. So first I am writing as it is, a square minus 2, a term is x as it is. Now we have to select the b term. Okay, first I will solve it here. 5x by 2, you guys also do this in the rough work. 5x by 2, I have 2 into x into, we have to find out the b term. As it is, shall we go with 5 by 4? So we can get 2 ones are 2 twos are, again we'll get 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into x means 5x by 2. Guys, is it clear? So 5x by 2 means 2 into x I have. So to get 5x by 2, I have to multiply with 5 by 4. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I am getting 5x by 2. I should multiply with 5 by 4. So x a square minus 2a into b term means 5 by 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So after adding, to balance the equation, you guys also have to subtract. Minus 5 by 4 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square, and we have to write this plus 3 by 2 as it is equals to 0. So I'll complete the sum, no problem. So first we go with a minus b whole square formula as it is. This complete, we'll take it as a minus b whole square. That means x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 square means 25 by 16 plus 3 by 2. Again take the LCM. The next step we'll go with LCM. X minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 16 plus 3 by 2. 2 8s are 8s are. After taking the LCM, we'll get, guys, is it clear? Is it visible? X minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 16 plus 3 8s are 24 by 16. Guys, is it clear? So 24 minus 25 by 16 means x minus 5 by 4 whole square. 24 minus 25 by 16. That means minus 1 by 16 is equals to 0. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square is equals to, when we send this term this side, we'll get 1 by 16. So when we get this root here, x minus 5 by 4 is equals to root over 1 by 16. Guys, is it visible? Plus or minus 1 by 16. That means 1 is equals to 1 square, 16 means 4 square. So x minus 5 by 4 is equals to plus or minus 1 by 4, because 1 by 4 whole square is equals to 1 by 16. If you take out the root, squares gets cancelled, because it can be written as 1 by 4 whole square, square and roots gets cancelled. So plus or minus 1 by 4. So when we go with, again we have two things here. So first, x is equals to 5 by 4 plus or minus 1 by 4. When we get this minus 5 by 4, that side we'll get plus 5 by 4. So okay, I'll solve it here only. Okay, 5 by 4, when we get this minus 5 by 4, that side we'll get plus 5 by 4. So the first thing is 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 6 by 4. That means 3 1 2. When we cancel 6 by 4, we'll get 3 by 2, and 5 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 4 by 4. That means we'll get answer as 1. So the term x terms is equals to, I am writing it here guys, x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3 by 2. The term x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3 by 2. Here to solve 5x by 2, so I have to cancel the term 2 into 5x by 2. So I have taken 2 into x into 5 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. When I cancel, I get the same term 5x by 2. So x square minus 5x by 2, till here it is balanced. Plus and minus gets this complete term gets cancelled, and plus 3 by 2. So again when you solve this, you will get this equation. So in this way you guys have to check, and this is the completely squaring method. So guys, the second problem also I have explained clearly. Hope you guys have understand the complete problem. Copy it fast, otherwise take a screenshot. We'll wind up the lecture. Guys, are you done with it? We'll wind up the lecture, come on. Okay guys, take a screenshot otherwise, or pause the video and copy it. Okay guys, is it done? Guys, that's all for the video. Today is the last lecture for quadratic equation. From tomorrow I'll get the new chapter. From tomorrow I'll get a new chapter. I'm just searching for the chapter that should be common for 9th, 10th and inter first year and second year also. That is the toughest thing. I have to select a chapter. So I'll try to get a chapter. I'll take 2 or 3 days time and I'll start with the next chapter. So I have to get the synopsis from the NCERT book. These complete problems are also from NCERT textbook guys. You can download it online, it is free. So that's all for the video guys. Today is the last lecture for quadratic equations. Quadratic equation is also completely done. So we'll see which topic we have to deal with in the next lecture. That's all for the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the further videos guys. Copy this is a really important problem. Take care, bye bye. I'm leaving the screen guys, copy it.